Hey everyone, today I'm excited to present my entry for this week's challenge from the No Code Architects school community. In this scenario, we built a support ticketing system that streamlines the process of managing support requests using Tally.so and Airtable. This automation is triggered whenever a new response is submitted through the Tally form, capturing essential user information and automatically creating a record in Airtable. This solution not only simplifies ticket management but also ensures prompt responses to user queries, enhancing the overall support experience. Let's dive into how you can set up this automation efficiently. Good morning. Here's my submission for the week 22, the categorizing of the support ticketing. So I started off, I've created a simple Tally.so form. It's just capturing the basic information and what the support request is. We then have a make scenario which listens for new responses in that form. When it finds one, it will create a new ticket. We then do a search for if the user is existing. If it doesn't find the user, it will then create a new user with all the information from the form and then link the ticket to that user. If it is an existing user, then we're just linking the ticket to and then finally we're sending an email to the particular user acknowledging that we have received their ticket, and it's just a HTML formatted email. We then goes into the Airtable. I've got two tables, one for the user, which is linked to the tickets table. Ticket table just has all the information from the form, first name, last name, the email address. It has a category, which is we have billing, technical support, general inquiry at this moment, and then what the issue is, any of the work notes, any resolutions, and then current status. By default goes to pending and then assigned and then progresses through the rest. We give it a priority, low, medium, high, or VIP. Okay, and finally done something a little bit different. When there's a new ticket created, I've got a Airtable automation, sending to the webhook in Make, which I'll show you in a minute. Only different thing here is we're grabbing all the categories from the table and we're going to use them to supply to the ChatGPT prompt. Okay, going to the last part, which is final make.com scenario. This is the webhook that was being sent to from the Airtable automation. First off, we're categorizing the problem, and so I've just given a list of valid categories. There's 3 at the moment, and then we pass on the issue, ask it to analyze, and then return a JSON object, which it will do. Then we go into finding a resolution just to help the support staff. And then we update the record with the category and the work notes, which is just the issue summary at this stage. And then we're sending an email to the employees with another HTML formatted again, just who the ticket was from. We're adding a button here so you can access the Airtable quicker. What the issue was, the issue summary, and then any potential resolutions, and then another button on the bottom. Okay, so let's run this. So this first one is a new user. As you can see, it goes up to the top, creates a user, then sends the email. We then see the new user here, and that's the relevant ticket. And it's just labeled as technical support problem, and put in the then we go and check the email. So this was the email sent to the employee saying that there's an issue, check fuel quality, inspect the engine trimming, timing and engine electronics. So and then if we click on that button, go back to the Airtable, and the first email received is just the acknowledge the request sent to the user. Now if we do this one more time, first off we'll do this again. And this is to simulate an existing user. And hopefully it will get categorized as billing. So we're run. It's finished already. It's now running here. It's been categorized already. And correctly categorized as billing. And fan the resolution. And then if we have a look at what it's telling me I need to update my credit card information. And finally, if we go to the email, again, we've got acknowledged that the ticket's been received. And then we've got the support. It gives you some ideas how to fix it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. So that's how I tackled the support ticketing system automation. By integrating Tally.so with Airtable, this workflow makes it easier to capture and manage support requests, ensuring that no ticket goes unnoticed. If you're interested in implementing this scenario for your own needs, I've included a link to the Mate.com blueprints in the description below. If you have any questions or need assistance setting it up, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automation tips and innovative solutions. Thanks for watching and happy innovating.